welcome back to Mama Nigel's Kitchen, another great show on Blessed Home and Garden. Happy holidays to my families, my friends, loved ones, well-wishers, subscribers, followers, guests for the first time or returning guests. Welcome to you all to Blessed Home and Garden Christmas Decor. So guys, this evening I will be featuring a very simple yet classic and glam way. You have to have that in there. Glam. Yes, it has to be there. You know, there is no formula that you can put together in the life of Moa without having a piece of glam in it. So this evening I'm starting my Christmas decoration with my guest dining room. So guest dining room is one of one unique location in your home that has a grand, I would say grand presence of your finest china and decor unique pieces. So guys, simple, not crowded, but yet very tasteful and glamorous. So guys, I have taken this journey knowing that there are perhaps one or two people out there that will be interested, or even more, that are looking for unique ways, unique expressions, unique creativity to enhance their Christmas or holiday decor for this year. So guys, I am inviting you to come in on this journey with me. Every week I'm going to be uploading a video on Blessed Home and Garden on simple, classic, unique and glamorous way that you can enhance and embellish your Christmas decor. So having said that, we are going to be working on tablescape, the dining area, all together, all in one. I am not doing much to the surrounding environment, but I am definitely upscaling the dining table as well as my bar stand with some Christmas accentuations. And that is all I'm going to do to this room to bring it from everyday classic glam decor to holiday decor. So various items I will be using are some chinawares, definitely some flatwares, some embellishment for your dining table, some floral arrangements. If you look behind me, that is a glam statement. Yes, a statement piece of art floral arrangement that I just put together I would say about an hour ago. So guys, if you are interested, let me show you. If you're interested in seeing how I put together a floral arrangement to create and deliver that huge statement, grand, unique style, let me know. Leave me a comment below and I will definitely show you guys, because my one and only goal is to be able to impart you to enhance your life, and that can be accomplished in numerous ways. When I talk about embellishments for your table, for your dining table, ladies, we as ladies, from time immemorial, from Genesis, okay, we love to adorn ourselves with jewelry. Right, girls? Okay, yeah. you can actually enhance your table with some unique embellishments of napkin rings. So let me show you these napkin rings. Look at that napkin ring. Do you see that? It's a floral metallic napkin ring. I just love the color combination. Turquoise, of course, is one of my favorite color, and this year one of my color for the Christmas scheme is gold. So I do have some gold there, some element of reddish, or I would say burgundy pink. It is just captivating. It is captivating, it's beautiful, and I love it. You can go with a set, or you can do a mixed media. For the purpose of showing you how various embellishments, present, I am going to use different kinds of napkin rings and different napkin folding styles. Ladies, if you have never done this before, and however, when you go into a high scale restaurant, you love how the napkins are just pressed and folded, guys, you can bring into your own home, into your environment, those living standards, so that it is not just only occasional standard, it becomes your everyday elevated lifestyle. So guys, all you need is napkins, and you don't want to use napkins that are wrinkled, of course. Paying attention to details matters greatly when it comes to having a very finished, fine execution on your napkin designs. So speaking of napkins, these are napkins. It is cotton, pure cotton, of course. You can use linen, you can use different kind of materials. But what is important is that you want to give it a press. Press your napkins so that to eliminate those wrinkles, so that your artistic production will be finely executed. So I will be showing you about 6 styles, 6 ways to fold your napkin to achieve that grand elevated style for your table setup. They are quite easy, you can do it, and you can get your children involved in this project. In order to avoid an extra long video, I am going to show you the final put together of this formal dining room in this video. However, I will have a part 2 section to this video, which will be strictly focused on the tutorial on how to fold napkins. Napkins folding for your dining table and embellishment. So guys, because I want to inspire you to be able to fold your napkins during this holiday period and have those keynote accentuations of embellishment for your dining table, elevating your dining table from everyday glam to everyday elevated lifestyle. So guys, let's take a look at my final execution of my Christmas 2021 decor formal dining room. I am so pumped up and excited about this, guys. Yes, come with me, grab your seat and feast your eyes, take some notes. 2021 Christmas decor formal dining room at Mama Nigel's Kitchen by Nila Enchanted, blessed home and garden.
'cause I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Thank you for watching. I hope you have been inspired on how to elevate your everyday lifestyle to an elevated glam living. So join me in part 2 and let's fold some napkins and embellish your dining table for holiday season 2021. From Mama Nigel's Kitchen, wishing you peace, love, and joy for your holiday season. Bye-bye.